between mile markers 76 and 80. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Franklin County, Ohio, east central Clark County, Madison County, until 12:45 a.m. At 12:13 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Charleston, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Newport, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 42, West Jefferson, Amity, Jefferson, Lily Chapel, Lake Darby, Georgesville, Lafayette, Interstate 70 at State Route 56, London, Madison Lake, Hilliard, Harrisburg, Darby Dale, Midway, Big Plain, Wrightsville, New Rome, and Dublin. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 72 and 91. I-71 in Ohio near mile marker 87, and between mile markers 92 and 94. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.